The CPS 750 JD7 Tier 4A rotary screw, portable compressor generates 750 cfm of air at 100 psi. Powered by 200 HP John Deere 6-cylinder diesel engine. Designed for heavy-duty construction environments. Air end with advanced rotor profile engineered to reduce horsepower required to produce 750 cfm. Air pressure adjustable from 58 to 100 psi. Engine uses exhaust gas recirculation technology. Electronically controlled, water-cooled engine. Variable speed fan. 78 gal. Fuel capacity. Fits into a single axle, fast track enclosure. A frame drawbar, surge hydraulic brakes and torsion bar suspension. Also available in a support. Key specifications. Normal effective working. Pressure 100 psiMaximum. Unloading. Working pressure 125 psi. Actual. Free air delivery 750 cfm weight, trailer mounted. Wet 7760 lbs weight. Support mounted. Wet 6,685 pounds. For more details check description and subscribe channel.